Today I'm going to bake an apple pie. We're gonna bake a pie, woo! Yes, welcome to Juuju's kitchen. Yay, 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 yay. Sorry about that. So as I said, we're going to make an apple pie from scratch. Now I've seen recipes being done online, and this video is just to see that if it works, okay? So I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're going to use today. Now this is Blue Band. It's not sponsored by Blue Band, but if they want to sponsor, why not? This is 1 cup, and this is another cup. 1 and 2, that's enough. Mix it around. Just a little like ice water, just to hold it together. 2 tablespoons of water. Now the water is just to help tie it all in a bit more. So you just put it in this, then tie it up, and then you put it in the fridge. Cubes of sugar, and because it's cubes, I'll just like try and pour some water and just melt it up. Cinnamon, I just use like 1 full one of this, just spread it all around, and you add a little bit, just a little bit more. Some lemon so that the apple doesn't go brown while I am making the crust. Just a little bit of cornstarch. It's not necessary, but I mean if you have it, it's just nice to add. Corn flour, cornstarch, whichever one. Just a little bit, just to hold it together. And cut the thing into 2 because we're gonna make a top and a down crust. It seems like this is bigger. I gotta tell you people, this is hard, okay? So much work. You should see my face right now. I'm sweating so much. Take care of this one. This is not a professional pie. My first pie was better than this. This is my pie. It's actually not that bad. Egg wash. See it? Yeah, right there. And then we just put some egg wash on it. I'm just gonna use my hand. Then take the sugar. And your pie is ready for the oven. So far so good. Right now the pie is in the oven, so we're going to watch it cook. So that is cooking with Juuju. This is the apple pie. This is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more F-ups like these. Go forth and be awesome. Juuju.